Sebastiano Brusco is an Italian pianist growing up in Rome. To pursue his dream of sharing music with people, he has come to China and visited various cities in the country on 3 tours. According to Sebastiano, his experiences in China have totally changed his perception of the country.
My name is Sebastiano Brusco. I'm a pianist, a concert pianist. My life, the purpose is to show the music to people and make fall in love them to the music. I came to China the first time because I have to make a concert in the Hong Kong to go to the Italian Institute of Culture. Then I met a person from China that organized to me to have a more concert in the main country. And then we went to 7 cities. And before I was a little bit afraid. I'd never been in China. And then when I went, I love it. When I went to China, I saw beautiful country. The nature is beautiful. Very beautiful, and there is full of trees and green and water everywhere, rivers and lakes. I love the buildings and the old city. Was very amazing. I feel very, very good, and people very, very nice, very friendly, very, very friendly. And I found immediately good. I have this I bought in a little market. Is a jade. And this, I love it. I wear this every day. It was for a gift, but then I decided to take for myself. I bought in a market, very beautiful market, little market, in Wanshan City.
Despite the enchanting views and friendly people, Sebastiano is also attracted by the Chinese music. He will now try to perform some Chinese music at his concerts.
When I make concert, I like to also to play some music of Chinese music from China, and I choose this because I like very much the music traditional of China, because I think it is very close to our classical music. And so I found this piece that very beautiful. That My Motherland is one of my favorite play pieces, and keep in my mind every time for a long time. And Butterfly Lovers is a beautiful history and sweet history about 2 lovers, like Romeo and Juliet in Shakespeare. And so I like this. I played this time with a flautist, and we have an arrangement from piano and flute.
Sebastiano believes his European compatriots must go and see the real China instead of just watching news about China.
I think people in Europe have to see real China always, because it's a beautiful country and people is very friendly, and I think is a good place it's important to see, to go. Also, it's beautiful. There is a lot of interesting places to see, all the structures and the culture, the culture of the tea, for example, that we don't have. And the food is very good. The food I like very much.